Yo, what's going on YouTube? Welcome to today's video. I will be trying and attempting to install some quick latch hood pins. He says I was doing something else with this. Yeah. The little boy here got inside some poison ivy. Look, Zan. Say hey. He got his mask on. Some poison ivy. Yep, so I guess I'm attempting to I'm not seeing a couple videos. Some guys will mount them right here. So you got a little holes here, but I'm gonna remove this cover and trying to get it to the frame area under here. So okay, I got the radiator cover off now. So I guess people are drilling in right here. There's already a hole here and a hole there. They're a bit small, so I'm gonna drill them out a little bit. Hold two hands, like this. Okay guys, so I got my hood pin mounted in. Marked them with blue Loctite, pull the hood almost to the close, and it got right there. So I used my small drill bit to drill a hole. I got my hole saw 2.5 inches with a guide on it. Finna cover this engine up. Don't want any, you can open it up. Don't want any shavings to get all down in there. See guys, I'm going little by little. Cause at a weird angle, this hood is, well, this little crease. So, yeah. Okay, I hacked away a little by little. Got it. Perfectly done. Now to hit this side right here. Okay, got the passenger side out. Now I'm going to mark my mounts again. Let the hood down and do my 1 3/4 inch hole. Okay guys, covering the hood up. I put blue Loctite on here, so you can't see, but I put, so again, give me a little marker spot on both sides. Now I'm gonna drill these holes to put the push pins in. Let's go. Oh yeah, I said right here's a 1 3/4. So okay guys, got my hole drill now, and I have a hole through my hood. Check that out. I think we're all done now, so we're gonna wrap it up. Yeah, we're gonna wrap it up. I like it like this because it helps the heat get out the hood faster. Yeah, definitely helps the heat. Look at that. Oh man, that looks good. That looks good. Okay, now I'm playing. Let's go ahead and try to slide these bad boys in. Okay guys, done with the hood pins. It looks nice. Looks badass. I like it. I like it a lot. I let nighttime catch me. I would get out of my carport, but I don't feel like moving and cranking this car up. But so far so good. The pins they locked in. So tomorrow I just got minor adjustments to do on the inside and tighten everything up. But yeah, so guys, so far, like I said, I think it's just a 6 mount heels right here. But I already got my, got everything seated. I just got to clean up around here on both sides. The hood pins, they work. good, but I'm kind of like, I like mine to be almost perfect. So what I'm doing is I couldn't tighten down my hood pin mounts good enough to where I wanted it. So really it's like a lot of plastic right here in this area. So I'm just trying to clear out as much plastic as I can so I can get my other open head wrench in there to hold it down while I tighten it up and adjust it more. So that's what I'm doing now. I got my vac here, my shop vac, so I'm gonna try to vacuum a lot of these trimmings and stuff like that out of here. Like, see, I got a lot of plastic and stuff down there that I drilled out. So I wanna wrap that up, vacuum this out. I said I'm holding the camera by myself. I'll try to find a way to prop it up so you guys can watch. But I'm gonna try to tighten these, you know, I can get a better, you know, my washer goes at the bottom, and where I can fit a 3/4 open head wrench under here, or 19mm, so I can get a better grip on it to tighten this thing down. See, I got some good adjustability while I'm tightening it down. So okay guys, I got everything adjusted how I want it, got them tightened down, just got to do a little more vacuuming. So see how it goes. Okay, both of them popped out. So I just gotta get, I'm gonna leave my my stock hood latch on. Okay. Go ahead and push that, look at that. Like I said, like pins popped out. A little play. Well, not much play in it. It's a lot firmer. See, it's a lot firmer, very minimum play in it. Very minimum. At first, you can take your hand and this thing will freaking move a lot. Especially while you're going above the speed limits in Mexico. You'll see a lot of play in this hood, like along the line, stuff like this. Like while you're driving, like I said, above the speed limit in Mexico, you'll see this part of the hood will be trembling and shaking a lot. So hopefully these eliminate the problem. And also when I hit the track and start chasing those big numbers, I already be equipped with these safety quick release hood pins. So far she looks good though. Just gonna get all cleaned up in detail. Okay guys, so what I'm doing now is my radiator cover, which this is not my design one. This is an extra one that I had that want to test fit to fit over these. So I'm going to use my step bit here to kind of get the right diameter. It's not too much bigger than that. You know, just test fitting this before I cut into my hydro dip radiator cover. So yeah, I'll use my step bit to kind of size it out a little more. Okay, guys, as I use my step bit, and it's perfect fit. Look at that. Perfect. Perfect fit. Now to put my, I said this is not staying on here. I'm putting my hydro dip one back on. Okay, like I said, I had an extra radiator cover, so all I gotta do is just push my push pins back in, and that's it. That is it. Yeah, but I don't know if I mentioned this, guys, but shout out to Dip Shit Customs. They're located in the Jackson, Tennessee area. So I got these guys a hydro dip, my intake, and my radiator cover. And they did a good job on it. I like it. I like it a whole lot. My hear no evil, see no evil, speak no evil kind of scheme. So I guess my next upgrade, I will be upgrading this, my coolant reservoir, and more like gonna have them hydro dip that also with the same kind of scheme. Like I said, under my hood looks good. I think the eyeball out is this thing right here, because everything's like black and white. So this the eyeball, this has to go. It's kind of standing out a little too much. Kind of throw my whole scheme out. Definitely. But yeah, guys, thanks for watching the video. I try to be more detailed as possible, but it's pretty straightforward. You just need to take your time, especially with cutting. Make sure everything is lined up properly. Of course, this is my first time doing this, so I really learned everything from watching other guys do it on YouTube. So I carefully watched them. I had these hood pins for maybe like 2 months, and I finally got the courage enough to do it on my own. And they came out fine. Tightened down. They came out perfect. To be honest, they said YouTube, man. I'm a YouTube mechanic, so you guys need to work. Hit me up. No, I'm just kidding, but I know I do a little things here. And the thing is I don't keep rambling on, but it's to get some tint. I need some tint all over. Again, I'm kind of fish bowling. Look at that. Again, look, I got the Speed Addict H-Par, so they say you guys give him a follow. You know, you guys like my freezer, my lower. You guys, I'm a Dragon Ball Z fan, DBZ fan, so I got lower freezer right here on my deck lid. I kind of like it. Fan of freezer. And my BMR Drag Life. Evil Horror. Keep tuning into the channel. I'm trying to drop more videos. Whenever I do little miles or go out somewhere, I'll be dropping more videos. But yeah, you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and thank you for watching my channel. Y'all have a good one.